Okay, I am really excited to start this painting and I hope you are too. So you can see in my palette I mixed Winsor Yellow. It's just mixed with water to get the consistency I need for this first layer. And I'm just going to start laying it down right over my sketched outline in uh, just in one large area for right now. And make sure you mix it with the amount of water that you need to get the right consistency. If you have any kind of clumps or lumps or anything like that, you're going to ruin your wash because you're just going to get a big icky lump right on your paper. So I have my larger size wash brush that I'm using right now, and I'm just dipping it into my well of paint. I wet my brush first with just water, and then I blotted it off so you have it nice and damp. That way you can make sure that you don't get any inadvertent dry brush effects, which you don't want for this technique. So just follow your outline as closely as possible. Reapply as necessary to your brush. And you want to go fairly quickly because you don't want any area to dry before you finish, because you'll end up with uneven streaks and splotches. So if you need to practice this on scratch paper, you can feel free to do that. And I'm just fine-tuning here right along the edges. Painting on the paper. And before it dries also, I'm going to blot out the lightest highlights. You can see right there, that's where the lightest areas are, and we're going to maintain those for the painting.